Can teeth really be straightened properly and without extractions in about 100 days? Come find out at the free one-day Fastbraces Technology Seminar in the US on almost every weekend, and in Melbourne on February 10th, London on February 17th and April 28th, Brisbane on February 24th, the Bahamas on February 24th, Montego Bay on March 3rd, Sydney on March 3rd, Vienna on March 10th, Stockholm on March 17th, Auckland on March 17th, Dublin on March 24th, Warsaw on April 7th, Munich on April 21st, Bangalore on April 28th, Copenhagen on May 5th, Reykjavik on May 19th, Berlin on May 26th, Singapore on May 26th, Amsterdam on June 2nd, Sandton on June 16th, and of course, as I said earlier, in the US on almost every weekend. Both dentists and orthodontists are using Fastbraces technology, now offered in over 50 countries. Register now for the free seminar by clicking on the link below, which will take you to fastbraces.com.